Rainforest Cafe, and we're having a storm, I think. We gotta get the storm. And guess where I'm at? Disneyland. I'm at Disneyland. I'm getting up at the crack of dawn and going to see Mickey Mouse. It's Halloween time. Hi, YouTube. Honey, you gotta let YouTube people see all the animals and stuff. And then I'll say goodbye. There's a rhino back there.
How are we doing tonight?